Karen, and this is my little sister Zoe.
Hi!
And today,
I am Zoe.
Today we are going to experiment a volcano eruption. First, we unbox my DIY experimental device. First, we have the citric acid. Second, we have the sodium bicarbonate. Then we have the goggles, the plastic cup, the spoon, and the stir rod, and the syringe. And finally, we have the volcano and the manual. First, we are gonna put our goggles. Now we are going to start. First, we put in the citric acid. Then we put in the sodium bicarbonate powder. First, now we are going to stir it. Now we pour in the water. Now we are going to pour the water into the volcano. And that is how the volcano explodes.
Ma, it's a vent.
Yes, that's a volcano eruption.
So that's it. Bye. Thank you for watching.